Hey guys, welcome to topic 2, lesson 4, parallel and perpendicular lines. You'll see in a second how we're going to solve this. If you don't want to just read this, you can wait. Parallel lines have the exact same slope as each other. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. That means if it's a negative, it's a positive. It's a positive, it's negative. It flips, the slope sign flips. And also, you'll flip the fraction upside down. So if the slope's 2, it'll become 1/2. If it's 1/2, it'll become 2. Follow the steps to find the equation of the line that is parallel or perpendicular to another. So step 1. To find the equation of the second line, you need the slope and the y-intercept. To know the slope, you know the slope because it's either parallel or perpendicular to the first line. If the lines are parallel, then it is the same as the line. If it's perpendicular, it's the opposite reciprocal. You cannot use the y-intercept for the first line. The lines are parallel or perpendicular, but that doesn't mean they have the same y-intercept. Instead, you need to plug in the slope and the points x and y, the x and y values. This will my bad, I couldn't read my own notes. This will mean everything is filled in except for b. The y-intercept of your line, solve for b, and that is your y-intercept. Now that you have the slope and y-intercept, plug it into y equals mx plus b to get your equation. So, what's the equation of the line that's perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 2 that passes through the coordinates 7, 9? So, step 1, we gotta figure out the slope. Since it's perpendicular, it's opposite reciprocals. The slope is 3, so it'll be negative 1/3. So slope negative 1/3. Okay, next we need to figure out, it says slope and your y-intercept. Figure out the y-intercept. We have to, let me think. Remember, stay hydrated, chat. I say chat, I'm live streaming. Okay. So we go through our steps. Boom. You cannot use y-intercept. We have to plug in slope and our x and y values. So that means we will have y is 9. So 9 equals negative 1/3 times x, so 7. Plus, we don't know. So, that would leave us with, let me go grab a calculator. Okay, our calculator. So, that means that we have 9 equals. So, first we need negative 1/3 of 7. So, negative. Is there a way to put fractions on this thing? Okay. Divided by 3. This thing is complicated. So, negative 1/3 times 7. Oh, not 4, times 7. Is negative 2 and 1/3 repeating. Well, 2.333 repeating, so that's 2 and 1/3. So negative 2 1/3, we have that. 1/3. 3 times 2 is 6. 7/3. Oh, wait. I'm an idiot, okay? I knew that. I'm just dumb. So we have 7/3 negative plus what equals 9. So we do minus. So we do 9 minus. Actually, it would technically be plus. Yeah, because it's negative plus 7 divided by 3. 11 1/3. So 11 1/3. Put that into improper fraction. 11 times 3, 33 plus 1, that's 4. 34 over 3, 34 thirds. That means our y-intercept is 34 thirds. So then we need to plug it into. So that means we have y equals negative 1/3 plus 34 thirds. Boom. Okay, first equation done. Now you can see why this can be a little difficult sometimes. But that perpendicular makes it a lot more difficult because of the opposite reciprocal instead of it just being the same thing. So next we have this one. This one hopefully will be easier. So we have, what is the equation? The last two are parallel. I only did one perpendicular so it's more difficult. What is the equation of the line parallel to y equals, this one's the same one, just parallel instead of perpendicular. So the slope is 3 this time. So we have 9 equals 3 times 7 plus what? So this would be 3, oh wait, no, this would be 21. 9 equals 21 plus what? So it would be a negative. So we'll do 21 minus 9, which is 12. So that means, so it'll be negative 12. So question mark is, why is it question mark? So that means our equation is y equals, why am I blanking now? 3x. One sec. I'm trying to think. Why can I not think? I just said it. Literally. Oh yeah. Minus 12. Sorry guys. I did not get on sleep last night. Okay. What is the equation of the parallel to y equals 1/2 x plus 8 that passes through 5, 10? So we did last time the slope is 1/2. So, but first we have our y value is 10. So 10 equals 1/2 of 5 plus question mark. So 1/2 of 5 is 2.5. So 10 equals 2.5 plus question mark, which would be 7.5. So our slope is 7.5, so which would be 7 1/2. Simplify that, that would be 15 halves. Because you always put mixed forms into improper fractions when doing this. So that means that we would have y equals 1/2 x plus 15 thirds. Okay, that's it for parallel or perpendicular lines. This one's longer, but bye. Stay hydrated.